You ready? You gonna do your colors? Okay, so where is yellow?
Right here.
Good job. Where is black?
Here.
Good job. Let's see, where is red?
Right here.
Good job. Let's get a good one. Where's green? Oh, no, one down. Green. That's green. Where's the color white? White.
Here.
No, that's green again.
Here.
Up there.
Here.
Yeah, that's white. Do you know where blue is?
Right here.
Good job. Where's yellow again?
Right here.
Good job. Where's black again?
Right here.
Yeah, and red?
Right here.
No, that's blue. Where's red?
Right here.
No, Bubba, where's red?
Right here.
Yes, you know where red is. Where's... Do you know where purple is? Purple?
Here.
No, that's orange.
Here.
No. Now you're guessing, but you know your colors, huh?
Here.
Say, where's yellow?
Here.
Good job. Where's red? Red? Close. Now you're guessing, because I know you know it. Where's black? Good job. Turn around. Look at me. Say bye.
Bye.